In primetime news this evening, calls for the government to put a cap on public sector wages as a percentage of GDP. Judge rules Marissa Dalrymple Philibert should stand trial in statutory declaration matter. And more hotel protests.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. Coming up in the financial week, Princess Hotels is officially opened for business.
And to tell us about what's happening in the business of sports, here's Spencer Darlington with a preview.
Thank you very much, Gio. Well, Jamaica has begun preparation for the upcoming Davis Cup Group 2 tie against New Zealand next year. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Thanks, Spencer. And Romain is also here to tell us what's coming up in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Kalisha. Now, there's a windy pattern that is going to be emerging across sections of eastern parishes tonight going into tomorrow, but the winds are expected to drop off quickly tomorrow afternoon and Sunday, and we're expecting the winds to stay below 10 knots for the next few days thereafter.
There's also sports commentary in the E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, how were you affected by the doctor's sick out earlier this week?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.